Well, hello, my creative friends. It's Olga Saraykina here, and welcome to my live stream. In this live stream, I'm gonna add some color to this little guy, this quick sketch of interior of a restaurant. I just did it. It took me about 10 minutes. So let's select the colors. I want it to be maybe green color, so I will take my green marker. Also, I want some beige marker, let it be Copic, and one really dark marker, let it be this, what's the name is Natural Oak from Touch Markers. I actually love when the palette for the sketch is limited because in my opinion it makes the sketch look more design style, more stylish. So I prefer very limited palette, and I usually start with applying color, with applying the lightest color in this scene. So here, as you can see, I have this beige color. It's something between ochre and gray. I have this really cool green, spring green, and very elegant walnut color, but the name here is Natural Oak. In my opinion, it looks more like walnut color. So I prefer to use, I'm really a big fan of brush nibs, super brush. In Copic they call it super brush, I believe. So this time I use Copic Sketch. So Copic Sketch and Copic Chow, they both have this nice brush nib on one side and like a more flat nib on the other side. And if you're interested, I can show you some Copics as well. So here is my set of Copics Yao. Almost all the same like Copic Sketch. The only difference is that they are a little bit thinner. So as you can see, they also have this nice brush. So I start by applying the lightest color here and there. This particular interior is in 1-point perspective. So here I have this one vanishing point and all the lines converging right to this vanishing point. If you are a beginner in interior design drawing or in perspective drawing, I want to welcome you to join my free video course. It's basically a video series of really cool, short and sweet lessons on how to draw an interior in 1- and 2-point perspective. So just head over to my website olgaart888.com or my YouTube olgaart888, and you will find all the information there about my free perspective challenge. There are more than 7,000 people who've gone through this mini course challenge. It's really a big amount of people, and I got such a positive feedback from them. I can see their drawings. So if you want to master perspective drawing, then join. It's a free perspective challenge. Alright, so I think I am pretty much done with this color. Let's see, maybe I want to add it to the legs of these nice chairs. Maybe a little bit here and there, maybe in the reflection of my chairs. So let it be. I really love when interior design drawing is quick and fast, don't take too much time. I also created 2 video courses on interior design drawing for beginners and advanced. These are courses on interior drawing with markers. So for now I'm done with this color, and now I switch to like a protagonista, the main color in the scene, the one which is really such a positive color, and I will add it to my chairs. As you can see, first I outline the chair and then I apply the color. This chair is on a foreground, that's why I want to make it more in a more accurate way. These which are on the background, I will color them all in one set of lines. And this chair on the foreground, I also want to make a little bit brighter in order to create this atmospheric perspective look. In my opinion, it will be nice to give a little bit of this color here and there, maybe add it in the reflection. And my friends, if you're watching it live, please don't hesitate and put some comments or ask me questions. I'll try to answer them at the very end of this live stream. So, also a couple of touches with this marker here and there. And it's time to switch to another color. Maybe also I want it here. Yes, I'm done with the green one, and final color will be this beautiful walnut brown. It will work like a nice accent color. I will darken this tabletop, bar top, more to say. Let's this bar be. Let's add some patterns here, and you can see when I applied how this green color starts to work differently. And let's assume that this color creates such a beautiful pattern in some Arabic style, maybe. These arabesques, you know, these geometric patterns, which are very popular on the East, in the Eastern countries. I like how it looks. I'll put it also here. And by the way, let me know in the comments, you guys, do you like the style of this interior, of this restaurant bar? Do you sketch yourself? Do you draw? So a couple of strokes here. Also, I'll create this shelf here in the background. Maybe we can put here some glasses or bottles to create this enlivenings for our drawing. And finally, I will add it to the legs. For these purposes, I want to work with another nib, which is more precise, because brush nib can behave really unpredictably. So I want all the lines here to be nice and bold. So here you go. Also, I will put it here at the bottom of my chairs, and we are pretty much done. For the final detailing, I want to add a bit of white ink gel pen in order to create this nice little texture, maybe on the foreground, to emphasize some parts, maybe to add a bit of reflection, to show the texture properly It makes the drawing look more finished, more complete. And maybe I want to add a little bit of cool pattern here. So let's assume that we have nice star pattern in the foreground. So we are almost done, and in a couple of minutes I will check your comments, your questions. So if you have any questions, please ask them now. Alright, and final stage is adding some signatures. So Olga Sorokina. And you know, guys, for more tutorials you can always visit my YouTube, which has the same name as my Instagram, OlgaArt888. Also, I have YouTube in Russian. The name is Olga Sorokina. I post there sometimes video in English, but the majority of them are in Russian. So final details, maybe here and there. Wanted more texture. All right, so that's it. That's the final result, final drawing. So let me see your comments. Hello everybody, I'm so glad that you're joining. Arman asks if my book is available. Yes, my book is available, but in English only. So I have a book on interior design drawing. Let me show it. Just a second, guys. So the name of my book is The Sketch. I'm the author, and you can get it on Amazon.com. So just put there The Sketch, Olga Sorokina, and yes, this is how you can get my book in printed version. You can also get it in PDF on my website, olgaart888.com. So yes, my book is available. Thank you for the question. All right, thank you for all of your nice comments. It's so sweet. Thank you so much, my friends. So everybody, I will see you in my next live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe to my YouTube, Olga Sorokina and OlgaArt888, and I see you next time. Bye for now.